This is a 2013 C250. We'll be replacing the valve cover gasket. To start off, we will be removing 12 E10 bolts. I believe these are there'll be 8 E8 bolts here on each coil pack, and 3 T25 torque screws, one on each side of this pipe, and one on the dipstick holding it in place. From there, we'll be, after that, we'll remove the valve cover, after we remove all the wiring. After unplugging this one, all the coil packs, this should be loose, just pull it up. After this has been moved to the side as well, we're going to take out the coil packs. There's 4 on this 4-cylinder, using E8s, 2 on each side. So after removing the first coil pack, you can see there's oil in there, which definitely indicated a valve cover leak, or a valve gasket cover leak. So we'll continue next one. So after removing the 4 coil packs with the E8 socket, removing 12 total bolts that hold the valve cover down with an E10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From there, you should be able to get it out. Work around this and remove it. Make sure to get these gaskets. Oh, shit. Take all that off. We're gonna clean all that up. We're gonna take this one off. It already came off. And then we're gonna put the new one in. Put the new valve cover gasket on. There's little landmarks for you to put it in the right way. And then you also replace these. And then you just put it in. Now that we position the valve cover back into place, we're gonna clean out where the spark plugs are, just because there's some oil that leaked in there. What we're gonna do is spray brake cleaner in and blow it out. Once we have everything cleaned out, the valve cover's on, we're gonna put the coil packs back on and start bolting it down. Once you have your valve cover set, everything in, bolts set, you're gonna torque them down. There'll be 2 separate torques. The coil packs will be at 8 Newton meters, or about 6 foot-pounds. The valve cover body, these bigger bolts, will be at 9 Newton meters, or about 7 foot-pounds. So the order will be as so: 1, the first one, the second one you'll do, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, 20. Once that's torqued down, you'll just put this back in, screw those back in with the torque screws, this right here, plug everything up, and you'll be ready to go. And I'll go ahead and post the order at the end of this video, so you can just look at the actual image of the diagram. Just remember, 9 Newton meters, 8 Newton meters. Once you have everything torqued down, put these in, the T25 screws,